Global Reef is a marine research, education and conservation organisation. Our mission is to connect a global audience with the marine world from anywhere and everywhere. I guess we approach this by combining a lot of conventional research approaches with innovative technologies. So we've got a great research team here that have set up a number of different scientific research projects in Koh Tao, but we actually work very closely with researchers and organisations both across Thailand but actually very internationally, having quite a big global output. In parallel, we've set up these scientific dive training programs, or these internships, that really aim to provide people with a knowledge and skill set to work in an underwater research environment. But then also we're providing a platform for people to gain experience when they are contributing to all of our ongoing research projects, and they're really getting a good insight into various different research within tropical marine reef ecosystems. So all of these projects are going towards either research publications or government reports, or we've spoken at international conferences. And so absolutely everything we're working on has got a really meaningful and impactful output, which is something that we've worked very hard on. I think is something that we are very proud of as an organisation. Global Reef also works very heavily in an educational setting. So we work with a lot of schools and universities, both in Thailand but actually very internationally as well. And then the fourth part to the puzzle, I guess, that really brings the mission and the fact that the name Global Reef to life is that because we've always got a very large research team at any given time, we can collect very large data sets but at quite a high resolution, which is not that common from coral reef environments. And so if we are then supplementing these large data sets with the use of technology, including producing digital 3D models of reefs using photogrammetry. We also use a lot of underwater 360-degree camera systems and engineer that into virtual reality. And we've also developed our own AI tool called Reef Sense that's able to take thousands of images and do a rapid quantification of hard coral cover. But combining all of this technology with these large empirical data sets, we aim to package up these reefs and then provide them to researchers and organisations anywhere in the world, and that really allows them to apply their research questions remotely and therefore contribute to the overall conservation of coral reefs from anywhere in the world, which is a big part of who we are as Global Reef.